There are some insane deals going on right now at homedepot.com. Starting off with the Milwaukee's range, there's tons of deals on them, up to 50% off. Now they're also running deals on some rigid items, some Ryobi items, all that kind of good stuff, some things from Dewalt. But the thing that I wanted to highlight the most for you guys is something that I personally use every day in my business, something that I absolutely love, and that is the 15mm dual action polisher from Milwaukee. They also have the 21mm and the rotary, all for sale. Now usually just the polisher itself, the 15mm polisher, is around $299. It's currently on sale for $275 with a 6 amp hour battery, which is a phenomenal deal, guys. If you bundle those together, you're at like 41% off or something like that. So here it is, guys, right here. As you can see, $275 M18 15mm polisher with a 6 amp hour battery. Now just keep in mind that does not include the charger. So if you don't already have a Milwaukee charger, you are gonna have to factor that into that price. But let's keep going. We also have the, here you go, 21mm. This one normally retails for, I think, $329, tool only. So now we are tool plus a battery for $299. Again, 6 amp hour battery. And then there's also a rotary that I actually can't find on here currently. But again, tons and tons of deals to be had here. Just go to, I'm gonna put a couple links down in the description below for the things that I like the most personally. And then some of the things will be a little bit weird. It'll just go to the tool and then you can add the battery for free. So just keep that in mind. There'll be a couple different ways you can do it. But yeah, absolutely incredible deals here, guys. Combo kits and batteries up to 50% off. I'll put a link directly to this page as well. Right here, as you can see, savings end in 12 hours and 25 minutes as I'm recording this. So by the time I get this up and running, it's gonna be, 12 hours left or so. So good luck. Make sure to go check this out right away so you don't miss out on these deals. So that's it. I just wanted to make that video really quickly for you guys so you don't miss out on these deals. I want to say thank you to the person that commented and let me know that those polishers were on sale, because that is a phenomenal deal. Anyways, guys, everything I talked about will be linked in the description. Go check out those deals, see what else is available for you that you may need. Insane deals from Milwaukee, like I said, also from Ryobi, Dewalt, all that kind of good stuff. But Milwaukee is where I was paying my most of the attention to. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.